Hi there. Are you a professional, super busy? You don't have time for even eating sometimes, right? But you are interested in building wealth and you want to see your money grow over time, even though you're busy and you don't have time to really manage it. But you're interested in the stock market. Well, stay tuned. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about what you need if you are new to investing. What are the things that you need to invest in the stock market? Actually, I'm going to give you 5 things, okay? Now, the first thing that you're going to need is a bank account. You will need a bank account because you're going to have to open what we call a brokerage account. So these will go hand in hand. So, of course, you'll need a brokerage account because that's the only place that you can go to buy a stock or buy a share in a stock, right? And so if you think about when you go to the market, right, that is essentially what a stock market is. And so you have to go through the door, right? And then you have to pick up something and then go to the cashier and check out. Well, the stock market, you can access it by opening what we call a brokerage account. Now, when you open the brokerage account, you're going to be asked, of course, for your social security number. I remember doing a workshop and the participants were like freaking out because it was asking for their social security number. It's like a bank account. This is your money. So they have to verify that you are you. So yes, they're going to be asking you for your social security number. And so don't be alarmed by that, right? So you will need a brokerage account, right? And then once you do that, your brokerage account, once you open that, they're going to ask you to link a bank account, right? And so that is why I say you will need a bank account as well. So you'll need a brokerage account, a bank account. And thirdly, you'll need money. You will need cash. You'll need money in your bank account because you're going to have to transfer money into the brokerage account in order to actually purchase the stock, right? And so no, we cannot use a credit card, unfortunately. I had that question. No, we cannot use a credit card. And so you will definitely have to have capital, have money in your bank account so that you can transfer it over to your brokerage account so that you can start buying your stocks, right? The fourth thing that you will need is knowledge. Yes, I talk about this all the time. You have to know what you're doing, right? And I'll say this as a disclaimer. You know, if you're a newbie, I strongly suggest starting very small, right? And starting with Robinhood. I know it's probably not backed by popular folks, you know, but Robinhood is a very user-friendly app or brokerage account. And so it's easy to buy your stocks there. It's easy to do research there. It's easy to really just literally type in the stock that you want, and then you can get access to buy it, you know. But I wouldn't say stay there. I would say to go to more reputable. I'm not saying that Robinhood is not reputable, but I'm just saying you can go to other brokerage accounts once you understand how to really trade, right? Or how to buy stocks. So you will definitely need to get knowledge on the stocks. And that's why I always talk about doing your research, knowing what the stocks are doing, the financials and all that good stuff that I talked about previously. You want to make sure that you do that. And so you have to have knowledge in terms of what to do, what to buy, and how to navigate the stock market, right? And the last thing, and there are many things, I'm just giving you the top 5 in my opinion. And the last thing you will need in order to start, investing in the stock market, of course, you're going to need to have patience. I talk about this as well. If you're an investor, you're going to have patience, right? So you're going to buy the stocks. And remember, we talked about that compound growth. It's going to take a while for those stocks to really mature, right? Mature over time. And so don't think you're going to today open a brokerage account, fund it with money from your bank account, and then buy a stock because you heard something, you did some research, and then in 2 days or 5 days, not even a year sometimes, it's going to just blow up. No. Patience. You're going to need to exercise patience in order to really see your money grow. And so I implore you to really think about that. And, as a matter of fact, let me add a bonus here. A bonus thing that you will definitely need to do is to have goals. When you're setting up a brokerage account, you have to think about, what is my goal here? And I talk about this in every area of our business, whether it's through our tutoring or our workshops that we do, or our financial literacy courses or investment courses, whatever we do. You have to establish a goal. Why do you want to make money, right? Why are you investing? Why are you opening this brokerage account? And that will really help you to decide how to navigate that account that you open. I have several accounts for several different goals, right? For instance, I have an account for my kids. I have an account for me and my husband to retire, right? And then you can open an account for vacation, right? What is the goal? Because dependent on the goal that you have for your account, you will buy stocks differently, right? So it is going to be important that you decide what is the purpose of this account. So a goal in mind is going to be very essential when you are trading. All right. So those are the top 5 bonus 6 things that you will need to have in order to open a brokerage account and to start trading. Hope this helped. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more about investing, I do have a workshop that I host weekly and talking about how to invest in the stock market using my CPR strategy. And so if you are interested in attending one of those workshops, and they're all free, you can click the link below to sign up, and we will see you on the other side.